don't get to see very many systems like this one. Under the seat systems?
Yeah.
You want to give me a rundown? What you got?
Got two Scar Audio VD10s, Fox acoustic box, ported with a Kicker 1200.
Oh, okay. Kicker. Where's the amp at? Can I see it? I didn't even notice that. Ah, there
Under
it
my
is.
seat.
Okay.
Why don't you
Nice.
just move this so you can see it better?
You know what it's wired down to?
I think it's a 2 ohm.
2 ohm. Okay.
See it better out there.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah.
And you got a capacitor.
Yeah.
Nice. Have you metered it, or is it just a daily?
It's just a day that never misses the first competition.
Okay. Awesome.
Give it a try just to have fun.
Yeah, man. Don't like to see this. Don't get to see very many systems like this one. Under the seat systems?
Yeah.
What kind of scars?
VD10s?
VD. Okay. So there's a 750 RMS?
I think
they are?
Yeah, either that or 500.
500. And you said your port is in the
It's
back.
in the
Okay. What vehicle?
It's a 2010 Ram 1500.
Alright. Stock electrical outside of just the amp and the capacitor?
Yeah, everything.
Okay. Looks good. What was your name?
Kenneth.
Kenneth. Jacob. Appreciate it, man.
All right, no problem.
Whoa, you slide it out just like that?
Yeah, the port's right here.
Oh, snap. Let me get that on video. So it's right
I didn't
there.
know this whole thing slid out either.
So this,
I've already showed
anybody that looks at it, they won't know it's ported, but it is.
Pull this out and the company
Wow.
that your cheese was in was Sunday
Yeah.
before. You'll see in a second.
Awesome. Thank you.
I show
Heck yeah.
I didn't know you had other ones.
Yeah.
Shit, I'm seeing new shit now. I ain't never seen. No, he got, so technically he got 4 cup holders and I didn't even know.
Exactly. It's like a mini cup holder on top of a mini
He
cup
had that
holder.
box built. Yeah,
It was in a little truck.
Yeah.
So
true.
I'll go 112 with the same kind of style box. That way I'll have enough airspace.
That makes sense. Yeah. And you still got your cup holder,
Yeah.
and it's like an engraved into the. It's pretty cool. Fox box. Who built it? You said?
It's a company out of Louisiana.
Really? Okay. Are y'all from Georgia?
I'm from Louisiana.
Louisiana?
here.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah.
What head unit?
The Pioneer AVH 4800.
Okay, dual. Okay. Awesome. Jess, look at this. We've never seen something like this before. This is pretty cool.
I see niggas in this bitch stunting, popping bottles, getting drunk with these bitches. Then when they leave, they get followed. Fall asleep with that bitch and really don't know much about her. Then she let us in, we take all of your shit. And when you wake up, she help you try to find it out. Look, I be with bitches, that be with bitches, that be with niggas with riches. I tell her get him, she say I got you. I say no bitch, I say get him. And they so pretty, and they had left it, he hit it and sweep on her titties. This shit give us the worry, come through with AK just to stick up, she scared like a victim like you. Feeling so silly, I smoke color purple, I'm up in here feeling like silly. Ooh, nappy ass dress, what's that you said? Watch your mouth, Millie Vanilli. Ooh, you can get snaked, you can get faced. Out by the bitch that you feeling, cause you thought she was an angel, that bitch ain't no angel. I treat her halo like a frisbee and you tell her your business, she tell me your business. You tell that bitch what you feeling. All of the beans you be spilling to you, she like through her T cavities feeling. She know where you had it, tell me where it's hidden. She know when you gone, tell me when the visit. We breaking your home and take the specifics to me while the bitches on vacation with them, so she don't get I'll be your son. Long hair don't care. She handles the business and don't ever tell. She bite the bullet and cup up the shell. She tell him, ooh, daddy, let's go to your place. And if he say yeah, then we meet him there. She feed him lies with his silverware. She don't want love, she just wanna share. No bitch named Liz. This nigga think she is, cause you tell him that it is. So he tell her all his secrets, he tell her all his fears. And then she tell me, and I be all ears. Then I go and tell my people, and they already know it. And then I call Liz, and she say he coming over.
Or something else.
I said, good girl, just remember what I told you. She gave me the salute, I said, girl, you're a soldier. We waiting outside, watch you pull up, walk up to the door. And right before he knocked, she opened the door naked. She left it unlocked. They started French kissing so he didn't see more. Then she let him in and stopped on the couch. Music up, take heat. Not a stopwatch, don't never stop. Just the flow that got the block hot. Give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidextrous. I moved through London with the Euro steps. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't break a sweat. Catch me cause I'm gone. Out of here, I'm gone.
Appreciate it, man.
From 6 to 23 like I'm a boy. Serving up a pack. Pulling gimmicks cause they scared of rap. Funny how they shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself. Take a look. I'm a bar spitter. I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.